What are you doing? Are you fishing?
No.
No.
I'm fishing.
Yeah? Where's the fish?
It's in the water.
The fish, they're in your pool?
Yeah.
I see one.
I see two big ones.
Yeah? Do you have a fish on your fishing pole?
Yeah, on my fishing pole.
Can I see it? There it is. Wow.
I think this is...
It's not a camera. You can't see Joshua.
I see it.
I can't show you yourself.
I can't see
See, look, you can't see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like fishing?
Mm-hmm.
Are you camping tonight?
Yeah, take me to pull it.
Want me to pull the fish off?
Pull.
I got it.
Pull.
Where are you sleeping tonight?
In bed.
Where? It's not really fishing if you pull them out and then put them on the hook.
No.
Where are you sleeping tonight?
In the kid bed.
In your kid bed? No, you're not. Where are you sleeping?